I'm not going to get mad. 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 Stay green, stay green, stay green. Yay. Okay, thank you to that person, because that is how you merge properly. Okay, that's how you do it. That's how everybody should be doing it. Not like this prick. Bed. What a f***ing idiot.
What?
He's a very intelligent person, Alexei. He probably like dropped as a baby or something, because that's not normal.
What happened?
You have to wait for the video to come out.
I know, he sped up, I went past you.
He was dancing around behind me, I don't know what he was doing. What? Alexei, what just happened?
I think she wanted to ask you a question.
No, she was in the middle of the road. I think she was trying to say sorry for being an idiot. Oh no. Uh-oh. We're safe, we're safe, we're safe. Fucking little prick.
Okay, don't say that.
Oh, sorry. You get angry when people do that.
Where did he come around these corners so fast?
Because they're idiots, man.
So your headphones off then? Give it to Daddy, you'll hold it in a minute.
Untangle that.
Right, jump out. She just crashed that baby into a pole. The trolley. She just went backwards.
I missed that. Like, full on crash.
She went to her baby, oh, sorry.
Oh no.
Click then.
Poor little Baba.
And there's a newborn as well. We have to go to church.
We're going to church. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. You selfish little fuck. Oh no, what's happened here? Somebody's not been paying attention and missed the lights and stopped on the crossing. Uh-oh. One brake light. Ah. Oh, we're gonna drop off our passengers just there, are we? That's cool. Considering there's parking spaces all the way up that road.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing move. Yeah, it could have just pulled in there. What is it doing? What on earth is it doing, Maisie Mill? I love driving so slow everywhere. See, oh, he's on the path, Maisie Mill. He's on the path. It's an old man. Never mind. Never mind. What's that red light?
Don't know, I have ice cream.
Red light.
When I'm underneath the bright lights, when I'm trying to have a good time.
Nah! Fellow human beings, fellow drivers, can we just have a moment of consideration? Can we start being considerate on roundabouts? Because you're just sat in the middle of the thing, you're holding everyone up, you're not moving, you're just making yourself look like a dick. Can we please stop doing it? Is there any chance we could please stop blocking roundabouts? Please. Yeah. Oh, can we get some clappage, please?
Clap with me.
Dirty, dirty, dirty. Public service announcement. Look at the size of this road. You could fit 2 trucks with tanks on the back easily down this road, going opposite directions, and they've stuck a massive f***ing island in the middle of it. Why? Why have you done that, road designers? You're a bunch of idiots, man. There was just no need for that. That was ridiculous, man. I bet the same guy who thought about that idea, yeah, that very same guy decided to do this on this bit of road and put a keep clear box right next to a giveaway line. I guarantee you it's the same kind of idiot, because they're just stupid twat. The same guy that put 2 bus stops opposite each other and thought that would be a good idea, thought that would be sensible. That's the guy we're talking about. He's an absolute clown. Rant over. Wow, what an unfortunate place to break down. Unless he's just stopped there, I don't know. I'm going to assume that he's broken down, not just stopped on a hill like an idiot. Poor man. What poor man? That bike's broken down. Oh, bless him. Oh no, another one broken. What's wrong with people breaking down today? Oh, you poor thing. You poor thing. Oh, DCB, top tip. Let me do my windows up a minute. Let me do windows up. If, for whatever reason, you're on your bike and your engine just stops, yeah, don't take it out of gear and then try and use a starter motor. Just knock it down a gear, let the clutch out, and then try and get the revs up, man. You don't want to rely on the starter motor trying to start the engine again. Just drop the clutch with it in gear and vroom, 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 vroom. Get it going again. Yeah, free mechanical advice with Benji. That seemed like a normal thing to do. What a strange person. I feel like we need a section in the video that conveys my niceness towards pedestrians, because I'm not often nice to them, so I got to include a few every now and again. Because the thing is, people don't see like me being nice, they only see the bad bits where everyone's just being a dickhead towards me. So everyone just thinks I'm a nasty person because I'm always shouting, but I'm not always shouting. I do nice things now and again when I feel the need to. I do honestly. Proof that Benji is a nice person. Maisie, why can't the buses just get in their bus stop properly? There's no reason why they shouldn't be able to. I've seen buses in there fully.
Tee-haw.
Yeah, tee-haw. What a tee-haw. What?
Wait.
Yeah, we do have to wait for the buses, don't we? Man.
Ha-ha.
No, seriously, I've seen buses put in there perfectly fine. Some of them get it right, some of them don't. But in general, Bristol bus drivers are idiots, aren't they, Maisie Mill?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alex, you get prepared to clap. Come on. I'm just looking a minute, I'm debating where... Yep, clap.
Are you going to go see your Hannah Jean before she goes away?
Why is she going backwards?
Oh, she's still going back.
Why is she going backwards, Alexi?
Do you have a cookie? Or do you want...
You'd luck getting past that in your wheelchair. Boo. My little pony, my little pony.
There was somebody in there called Timothy Smelly.
What?
One of the people came out and said, Timothy Smelly? I was like, what? And he did air, Mr. Smelly? Timothy? His name is Timothy Smelly. I pissed myself laughing.
No, that's unfortunate, man. You can't laugh at that. That's nasty.
And his old guy said, did he say Smelly? I said, yeah. He said, Timothy Smelly? I said, yeah. He goes, Mr. Smelly? I said, yeah.
That's not funny, that's cruel.
Shush. I didn't hear my music.
Oh,
Turn it up, then.
Sorry.
What is that?
I'm scared now.
Mr. and Mrs. Smelly.
That's right, my mum went to school with a kid called Michael Hunt.
Why is that funny?
Think about it. Think about it, Alexi.
Don't get it.
Think about it, Alexi.
Michael Hunt.
Yeah? Think about it carefully. Nick is short for Nicholas. Steve is short for Stephen. Yeah. Michael Hunt.
Mike Hunt?
Yeah. Do you get it now?
No.
Say it again.
Hey, Mike.
Wow, you're special.
I am, that's why you married me. Oh, what a name, Mike. What a last name? Smelly. Do you agree, though? Would you agree?
Yeah. Why is this bus on the wrong side of the road?